All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy Sunday to you all, and welcome to our channel. It's your boy Authentic right here. So, in today's video, we'll be talking about Celia, right? We'll be talking about Celia coin. That is how you can be able to swap your Celia points to the real Celia tokens, and a lot of things concerning Celia project. So, for those of you guys that don't really know, Celia resumed mining a couple of days ago, let's say sometime at the end of this month. So now we are mining points, and as of that, we need to convert the points to the real token. So we'll be talking about that in this particular video and other related informations. But before we do that, I want to use this particular medium to address this particular new development on our channel, right? So if you take a look at our YouTube channel right here, you guys can notice something that we have transitioned from authentic cryptos to authentic media. All right, reason being that following our curriculum and what we have, we've decided that we are not going to be covering only crypto related informations. That is why we changed it from authentic cryptos to authentic media, right? So forget about this crypto you are seeing here. We are getting rid of this particular one anytime soon, right? So this is it right here. We are going to be creating contents on every legit ways to make money online. That is just the take right here. Both crypto, every other session of making money online, be it blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, content creation, and so on and so forth. Every legit ways that you know that somebody can make money online legitimately and passively, we are out for that, right? So that is our next curriculum, right? Or let's say what we have next on our channel. So we are not going to be limited to crypto content alone. It's not that we're not going to be putting out crypto content, so right, we'll be putting out crypto content, but you don't have to confuse the algorithm. You have to be neutral so that the algorithm will know what you are doing. You can't set your channel and optimize it for crypto related content only, and you are putting out other content. The same thing applicable to every other channel. So you have to make it broad so that the SEO and algorithm will really understand what your channel is all about. So that's the reason behind this transition from authentic cryptos to authentic media. So you guys should expect way more impactful content on our channel on every possible ways that you can make money online legitimately. Okay, so that is just that, guys. And with that being said and done, let's dive straight into today's video starting right now. So let's head straight to the Celia app and get it up so we can proceed. Okay, so as we all know, like I said earlier, the Celia project is back, guys, and we have started mining. So, sorry, they are serving advertisement, right? So this is the point that I got at this particular session. But as it stands now, the Celia mining is on pause. So they have set out the timetable that from the 1st to the 24th or 25th of every month, we have to mine. Then from 25th to the end of the month, we will use it to swap the points we have here. We use it to swap the points we have here to the main Celia token. So if you take a look at my dashboard, you will see that I have 484 Celia, which is the one I got from the previous Celia project. That was when we first of all did this particular project. All right, so that is just that. If you know you receive yours either in your MetaMask or in any of your exchange, all you have to do is just to tap on Celia right here for you to get your address. Okay, so you just have to click on this place that they wrote receive. Okay, then you see your Celia address, go there, paste it, and receive your tokens. Right, so this particular one, Celia token, you have to select network BEP20. There's a wallet address, so you generate your own wallet address. This is how to get your wallet address and receive your token in the Celia app. So this is my own. Okay, so that's just how to do that, and that is just exactly what I did. And I got my Celia from my MetaMask to the Celia main app right here. Okay, so and if you have not joined this second phase of Celia mining, I'm going to be leaving all the details, the links and the code, that is the bonus code, in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just to enter it and get started immediately. Okay, so like I said, the mining is on pause right now. So from 1st of May, the mining will resume. So we are using this particular period from 25th to the end of the month to swap the points we have to the real token. Okay, so let me just do that, and you guys will know how you can be able to swap your own as well. Okay, so you have to make sure that you swap it, as they are going to burn it. If you didn't swap it from 25th to the end of the month, they will burn it. Okay, so now this is how to swap the token. Scroll up a bit and come to this particular place that they wrote claim, right? Okay, claim, tap on claim. Then you will see this is the details right here. 2785 points equals 1 Celia. Hope you guys can see that is the conversion rate So I have 187055. So all I have to do is just to enter the amount of points that I have, 187055. So, and you see the amount of Celia that I'll be getting after swapping, which is 67 point something. I have 484. Okay, so let me just do that immediately. I'll tap on claim right here, and you will see claim successful, what they say, processing, blah blah blah. So okay, completed, successfully claimed 67.14 Celia. Okay, that is from the points. You guys can see the descriptions right here, from the points to the Real Celia tokens. So I just have to okay the button right here, and we are good to go. So let me go back and check my tokens. Beautiful. Let me refresh it. You guys can see I don't really have anything right here anymore, and my Celia has increased from 484 to 551. So do well to swap your own immediately after watching this video. Okay, so that is just that in this particular video, and make sure you pass your KYC. You just have to tap on KYC here and verify your email that you used in farming the previous one. So if you know you farmed the previous Celia years back, you don't have to create new accounts. All you have to do is just to remember your login details and get back to mining. But if you don't remember your login details, you can set up a new one afresh. So that's just it. And if you click on your menu bar right here, this is where you'll be seeing your details. Okay, sorry guys. So this is where you'll be seeing your details. So you guys can see my username right here, and KYC verification. Tap on KYC verification. You'll see you are verified. You have successfully completed your verification. So they are not requesting any form of identity verification. Just verify your email and you get yourself verified. As simple as that. Okay, so that is just that. I think that is just all I want to treat in this particular video. So if you come to this particular place that they wrote configure mining interval, a lot of people got it wrong right here. So you guys can see automatically by default it will be in 4 hours. All right, and you know you can't be keeping up to be turning on the mining session this thing every 4 hours. So you have to bring it to this particular one that says 24 hours and click on configure right here. Okay, so that you'll be mining once every 24 hours to save time and stress and everything. Okay, so that is just that. Do well to get started. I'll be leaving the link, like I said earlier, in the description section and comment section of this video. Download the latest Celia app and get to work. So from 1st of May, we kick off again. Okay, so that's just that. Thank you guys for watching. And please, if you know you are among my team right here, do well to verify your KYC. It's very simple. So I have 30 plus people right here, and only 8 people did their KYC. So please do well to verify your identity. They are not requesting any form of verification method. Just verify your email and you are good to go. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That is just all I have for you guys in this video. If you really found value right here, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and comment on this particular post. If you wish, share it to people that will really need it. And if this is the first time coming across our channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around and supporting the authentic brand. Okay, till I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your Sunday and bye for now.